Anchita from Frontline Technologies. Frontline Technologies is basically an ERP software solutions provider on the cloud. It's a revolutionary technology which has been launched in the agribusiness industry. The main target clients includes anyone and everyone in the agribusiness domain today. How do we help them? So basically, this company was started by 3 senior SAP directors who have more than 50 years of combined experience in software development and implementation. As you can see, RainPlus is a software which is having 5 different product modules: RainPlus Grow, Make, Move, Trade, and Serve. Now, today we have clients not only in the poultry and the dairy sector, but we are also serving clients in animal feed sector, seafood sector, spices, importers and exporters of various food products. We are also touching client bases in spices industry, in food processing industry, in contract farming, which includes gherkin, contract farming, cotton seed industry, cotton millers, rice and flour milling industry. So you can say that we are actually growing and expanding. How do we help people? We know that agribusiness is quite complicated. A normal ERP software solution is quite standard. It does not help or to address the minute technicalities and complications involved in the agribusiness industry. So this software is totally customized to serve the agribusiness industry. As you can see, RainPlus Grow is the software which actually helps any kind of producer, whether you are producing something on the land, which includes crops, seeds or something, or whether you are an aqua producer, which means that you are actually concentrating on production of seafood fisheries, or you are into poultry, hatcheries and any kind of air. As you can see, RainPlus Make. What does RainPlus Make do? RainPlus Make actually helps all the processors in the agribusiness industry. So the producers want to add some value to their end products. We help them actually run through the entire system in a more efficient and error-free manner. Then we have RainPlus Move and Trade, which is basically helping in the distribution and logistics and sales management of agribusiness products. RainPlus Serve is basically focused on the agri-extension services. We know that today contract farming services and agri-extension services is growing quite a lot in India. Not only do we have government agencies who are actually helping farmers and agri-industrialists grow and better manage technology and efficiency on farm, but we also have a number of private players who are entering into contract farming. We help them with a number of revolutionary applications based on the mobile. Now, what is the USP of RainPlus software? RainPlus software is very affordable and efficient. It does not require any hardware cost, no cost of implementation, no cost of updating. It's actually based on the most powerful server in the world today, which is Amazon EC2 Plus server, which means that you get automatic updates and data backup of all your data every 4 hours, which is like totally no hardware, 10 times more benefit than a normal ERP software. There's no risk of data being shared because we enter into total privacy contracts. You can actually go live in as little a time as 1 week. So we actually implement the entire software in your company, including
Installation and all.
uploading of the data in as much as 1 week. And you can see we can